This is the before video of my wiring mess. If you look underneath, this is the fuse box, and you can see everything is disconnected. I think this is the harness that goes to the lights. Okay, and under here is the steering harness. This is all disconnected. I'm not really sure where that goes. I think this green wire is the heater over here. Now here's my gauges. They're kind of a mess. Okay, and then we got the back of the instrument panel. There's a switch. See, that's all been spliced in. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm going to go up now. Let's take a look in the doghouse. You can see these wires are... I didn't put any of these in here. The only way I can start it is I have this wire that I run to the positive from the coil when the battery's in. And if you look closely down here, you can see some of these wires. They look a little funky. So I'm going to try to sort it out and see if we can save the wires that are in it. I have very little expertise at this, but you know, give it a go. So there you go. Wish me luck, everybody.